To evolve into a higher level of consciousness, it is essential for us to face all that we consider a challenge in life. Healing aspects of ourselves that manifest challenging situations is not something we can accomplish overnight. Yet each day we have the freedom and the choice to heal our soul and to graduate to the next level of evolution. We choose to incarnate in this physical world with all its limitations and difficulties. Our soul has come to experience separation, to balance between the spiritual and the physical world. For us to achieve a balanced state of being, it is essential to build a strong foundation that will strengthen our connection with Source. The same idea is at the center of Dharmakaya. In Mahayana Buddhism, the term Dharmakaya refers to the connection with the underlying nature of reality. Dharmakaya has also been understood as the idea of building a truth body or reality body. The ultimate stage of enlightenment is considered the culmination of this practice. Dharmakaya is closely connected to the idea of emptiness, or shunyata, which is the absence of inherent existence in all things. According to Mahayana Buddhism, the fundamental reality of the universe is a state of emptiness. Dharmakaya, which is described as the manifestation of this emptiness, is thought to be the ultimate source of all things. In addition to Dharmakaya being the main practice in Mahayana Buddhism for achieving enlightenment, cultivating a strong Dharmakaya also produces additional benefits in the form of the 5 wisdoms. The 5 wisdoms represent the 5 aspects of self that benefit from the practice. These aspects are the human form, feelings, perceptions, impulses, and consciousness. The main goal of building a solid Dharmakaya is to cultivate the Buddha nature, which is the innate potential for enlightenment. This is a potential that all humans have. All of us have the option to build a strong awareness with practice and dedication to finally reach the next level of evolution, enlightenment. Building a strong Dharmakaya is a long-term process. It requires consistent effort and dedication. Here are 8 steps taught in Mahayana Buddhism that are associated with building a strong Dharmakaya. First, gaining a deeper understanding of the nature of reality and the 4 Noble Truths. The 4 Noble Truths being the truth of suffering, the truth of cause of the suffering, the truth of the end of suffering, and the truth of the path that frees us from suffering. The 4 Noble Truths are rooted in the idea that our reality is based on duality. There is no left without right, no darkness without light. Everything in this universe has its opposite. So if we confirm the existence of suffering, at the same time we confirm that there is also happiness, we might need to change our perspective to recognize these truths. So even though we only see one polarity, it does not mean the opposite does not exist. 2. It is essential to have the right intention. To build a solid Dharmakaya, we need to cultivate intentions that are in line with the path of enlightenment. 3. Speaking in a way that is truthful and beneficial to others. 4. Acting in a way that is ethical and compassionate. 5. Earning a living in a way that does not cause harm to others. 6. Making a consistent effort to improve oneself and to overcome negative habits. 7. Being aware of our thoughts, feelings, and actions. 8. Developing the ability to focus the mind and achieve deep states of meditation. Understanding and practicing these ideas might not be easy at first. With dedication and patience, it will only support our well-being